It's National Financial Literacy Month, and we're talking finances all month long. Hey, Travis County, I'm Tamara Schubert, your Family Consumer Science Educator for NMSU and Travis County Cooperative Extension. Thanks for joining me today. It's all about holiday finances. And I know some of you may be thinking it's only April. Why are we talking holiday finances when that's months down the road? But making a plan now, if you don't already have one, can help ensure that you and your family are financially secure in 2024 and that 2025 gets off on the right foot after holiday spending. With the commercialization of the holidays over the years, it's not uncommon for families to spend upwards of thousands of dollars over the holidays. And for many members of our community, that means we tighten the belt or we do without. If you're cringing about finances this holiday season or wondering how to make ends meet, there are ways to celebrate the holidays without breaking the bank. So we want to start by creating a spending plan. And sometimes it's all about positive thinking. Don't look at it as a budget, but as a spending plan. A clearly thought out plan on what you and your family can truly afford. Before you go shopping, before you make a list, make a plan and ask yourself, what do we need this year? So keep in mind food, including parties you've been invited to, decorations, travel expenses, gifts, and cards. You may also want to ask yourself, what's important to our family? It's okay to allocate finances to the areas that bring more joy to the family and maybe skip out on some that don't. We don't have to do it all. But there's a couple of things to keep in mind when it comes to creating that spending plan. So the first thing we want to do is take into consideration what we spent last year. This can provide a lot of insight into what we expect for this year, and we can use that list to help prioritize purchases headed into this year's holiday season. When looking at food, it's not just about the food that you plan to prepare the day of the holidays. For many of us, the holidays are busy, and that means that we're grabbing fast food, or maybe we're eating out more regularly than normal. And this can really add to our budget. So when we're taking into consideration that spending plan, also include buying some food in bulk and creating some slow cooker meals to prevent that added spending from eating out. When it comes to travel in our spending plan, many of us think to include airline tickets or the cost of fuel. However, it's important to keep in mind if driving over the holidays, that added mileage that gets on our vehicle, the cost of replacement tires with the extra wear and the terror of driving down the road, and hotel rooms if we're not staying with family. In addition to our spending plan, there's a couple of other things and a couple of other tips to help us survive those holiday finances. Impulse buying accounts for a lot of extra spending, and this is true even not around the holidays. So along with the spending plan, make plans for shopping as well. Limiting the number of trips to the store means that there's less opportunity to impulse buy. And definitely don't wait. Look for sales all year long, and especially the holiday season. So take advantage of free shipping when it's available, other sales that happen throughout the year on those big purchase items that we need. Be sure to have a clear picture of where your family stands financially and be honest in developing that spending plan. So plan now for 2024, and after the holidays pass, think ahead, and I mean way ahead. And based on this spending for this year, set aside a portion of that paycheck each month for spending in 2025. Have a great week, and we will see you with more finance information next week.